Good day students. In this video I'll try to solve some questions from chapter 12 progressions 12.2 geometric progressions. The sum of the first n term of a geometric progression is given by Sn equals to 4 in bracket 4 to the power of n minus 1 close bracket. Find the first term and the common ratio of the progression. Okay, first term and the common ratio. First term is A, common ratio is R. Okay, we'll do that. You can see the question paper. Yeah. So first term is T1 is also equals to S1. Okay, so how to find the S1 is just replace n with 1. 4 to the power of 1 minus 1, you get 4 to the power of 1 is 4, minus 1 is 4 minus 1 3, so you get 12. Okay, that's the first term. I can find the second term T2. So how to get the T2? T2 is S2 minus S1. Okay, the sum of the first two terms minus the sum of the first term. Okay, so S2 is just replace n with 2, 4 to the power of 2 minus 1, and S1 we got the answer previously, it's 12. Solve this. 16 minus 1 is 15 minus 12. 60 minus 12, the answer is 48. Now the question asks you to find the common ratio, not the second terms but the common ratio. But to find the common ratio you need the second term. So common ratio R equals to T2 over T1, and our T2 is 48, T1 is 12, so this is 4. So the common ratio is 4, the first term is 12. Now moving on to the next question, B. Hence find the term in the progression which has a value of 49152. The term with this value, Tn equals to 49152. You can see. So what's the formula for Tn? It's A to the power AR to the power of n minus 1 equals to 49152. What is your A? Your A is the first term is 12. Your R is 4. 49152. 4 to the power of n minus 1. Bring 12 over here. Divide. So when you divide 49152, you get 4096. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll take log on both sides. Take log base 10 on both sides. So you get LG 4 to the power of n minus 1 equals to LG 4096. Bring the index to the front since it's a log, and minus 1, LG4 equals to LG 4096. Okay, I'll just continue on this side. So n minus 1 equals to, bring LG4 from left to right, you get LG 4096 equals to LG4. Okay, so LG 4096 divided by LG4, I'll do it in the calculator. So you get 6, that is n minus 1. So to get n, bring 1 over there, it becomes plus, so your n is 7. So the seventh term has this value. Moving on to the next question. Okay, you can see, yep. In a geometric progression, the seventh term is 8 times the fourth term. The fifth term of the progression is 4. Find the common ratio and the first term of the progression. Okay, so what's given in the question? we'll try to convert that into mathematical expression. 7th term is 8 times the 4th term. So 7th term is T7 is 8 times the 4th term T4. Okay, and also given to us one more detail is 5th term is 4. So T5 equals to 4. So geometric progression, the formula, I'll try to solve this side first. Formula for nth term is AR to the power of n minus 1. N in this case is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4 equals to 4. Okay, I just leave it like that. Then I'll try to solve this a little. T7 will be AR to the n minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8. T4 will be AR n minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. So AR to the power of 3. So you got A on both sides. I can cancel the A. Okay, I'll bring the R over here. So I got R to the power of 6 divided by R to the power of 3 is to 8. Same number, the index you can just minus when you divide. So you get R, 6 minus 3 is 3, 8. So R cubic root of 8, and then this will be 2. So your common ratio is 2. Replace R equals 2 in this equation, you can get A. Just right there, replace, hope you can see, yeah. R equals to 2. So you get A 2 to the power of 4 equals to 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 A equals to 4. A equals to 4 over 16. Simplify, you get 1 over 4. So that's your common ratio and your first term. Now moving on to the B. Hence find the sum of the terms from the 5th to the 10th term of the progression. So they want you to find the sum from 5th to 10th. So let us illustrate that a little. So you have the first term, 4th term, 5th term, so on, and 10th term. Okay, and the question wants you to find the sum 5th to 10th, this one. This is the question. So to find that, you have to find the total terms from 1 to 10, that will be S10, then minus with total terms from 1 to 4, this will be S4. So S10 minus S4 equals to, use the formula, okay, so your R is 2, so use the formula A R to the power of n minus 1 R minus 1, your n is yeah, it's known, it's 10, equals to, sorry, not equal to, minus A R to the power of 4 minus 1 R minus 1. Now you can replace the values here. The A is 1 over 4, R is 2, I'll do that. A is 1 over 4, R is 2, minus 1 over R minus 1, that will be 2 minus 1 minus, okay, hope you can see, A is 1 over 4, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay, simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1, same goes here. So 1 over 4, 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024, minus 1 is 1023, minus 1 over 4, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. So I'll continue this side. So S10 minus as 4. So it become 1023 over 4 minus 15 over 4. This will give you 1008 over 4, and then you simplify, you get 252. So the sum fifth term up to 10th is 252. Moving on to the next question. Okay, let me adjust the paper so that you can see. Okay, given x, y and z are the first three terms of a geometric progression such that x plus y plus z equals to 234 and the value of z is 3 times that of y. Okay, we've got a few mathematical expressions here. A, find the common ratio and first term of the progression. Okay, we got a few mathematical expression. Maybe when we solve that, we'll get the common ratio and the first term. So I'll solve that. A, first the geometric progression x, y and z. So your r, how to calculate your r? Your r is t2 over t1, t3 over t2. In this case, the t2 over t1 will be y over x equals to z over y. Simplify this a little, bring y over here, it becomes y square, x goes there, x, z. Okay, I'll just leave it like this for a while, then we move on to the next equation, which is this one, x plus y plus z equals to 234. X plus y plus z equals to 234. I'll just leave it like that. And the last details is z is 3 times of that y. Z is 3 times that of y. Okay, we have to change this into a mathematical expression. The value of z is 3 times that of y. Okay, so z is 3 times of y. So we have 3 unknowns, x, y, z, and we have 3 equations. Okay, so we can solve this basically. Okay, let me see how to solve this. Okay, got a y square, I got this one, z, I can replace here, get y. Okay, I'll make this as x equals to y square over z. I'll just name this as equation 1. And this one I name as equation 2, equation 3. So I'll take equation 1 and 3, replace in equation 2. Just write here, replace equation 1 and equation 3 into equation 2. That means this to this. Okay, so it's x, we replace with y square over z plus y plus z is 3y equals to 234. Okay, so I replace z again. Z is 3y, so it's okay, y square over 3y plus y plus 3y, you get 4y, it's 234. Cancel off the y. This is to the power of 1, power of 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you get y over 3 plus 4y equals to 234. This becomes a fraction. I can just simplify this. 12y over 3 equals to 234. 13y is 234 times 3. Use the calculator. $702. So your y equals to 702 divided by 13. Use your calculator again. It's 54. Okay, so you get your y is 54. You can find your z. So I can just write here. Maybe I'll write with a blue pen, so different color, so that you can differentiate. Replace, bring it over here. Replace y equals to 54 into equation 3, this equation. So z equals to 3y, that will be 54, and then you get 3 times 54 is 162. Okay, you get z as 162. Now I can use that. Now I know the value of z and value of y. I can find the value of x. So I can just write here, replace y equals to 54 and z equals to 162 in the equation 1. Okay, oh sorry, yeah. Okay, so I replace y equals to 54 and z equals to 162 in the equation 1. So I can get the value of x, y squared, 54 squared over z is 162. Use your calculator to solve this. So the answer is 18. Okay, so we have the value of x, y and z, but that's not what the question wants. The question wants us to find the common ratio and the first term. So I'll write down the geometric progression again. X is 18, y is 54, z is 162. So this is our GP, geometric progression. Now we need to find the common ratio. R is T2 over T1, 54 over 18, that will be 3. That's your answer. And the first term is 18. Okay, so you got the answer. Now moving on to the question B. Hence, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the progression. Okay, I don't have enough space here, so I'll use another paper to do the question. B. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the progression. So sum of the first 5 terms, if you look at R is more than 1. So S5, I'll use the formula A R to the power of 5 minus 1 over R minus 1. So what is your A? We know that A is 18, R is 3. So A is 18, R is 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So try to solve this using a calculator. 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 is 242 times 18 divided by 2, get 2178. That will be the answer for B, the sum of the first 5 terms. Okay, that's all. See you again in the next video.